This video puts you through on how to lock chat on WhatsApp. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to get to your WhatsApp application and tap on it. Once the app opens, scroll down until you get to the contact you want to lock the chat you have with him or her. I want to lock the chat I have with this contact Shine. So what you need to do is to drag towards the left on the contact. So I'll place my finger and drag towards the left. Now this gives you some options. Tap on more. On tapping on more, you will see some options too. Select lock chat. Here you are taken to this. It says keep this chat locked and hidden. Tap on continue. Place your face ID. Then it says this chat is locked. Then tap on OK. And with this, you have successfully locked a chat on WhatsApp.